Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make your Sony TV faster by disabling the red button or HbbTV on your Sony KD-43X TV. First of all, press the gear I button on your remote control, then select all settings, go to channels and inputs, then go to preferences for channels, and now select interactive application, and here disable the first option and go to the last one, which is HbbTV privacy settings. Set do not track to on. Switch the toggle to the right next to the second option and switch the toggle to the left next to the third one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.